I will show installation of the Shivas Rheometer for the S-Rheo8000. So placed in safe place and the table, okay. And firstly, connect the gas pressure. This valve size 6 pi hose, and then connect to compressor, and compressor about 5 bars. Yeah. You can connect the N2 bomb or compressor. So please use under the 10 bars. Its maximum pressure, main pressure is 10 bars. And power AC 110 volts. Okay. This 110 volts. Power cable connect. And the air pressure closed position, and turn off position. And install the balance. Balance is power port and data cable port. 2. The place is spread and put the power and data cable here. And put on the orifice and check out the red O-ring and install just inside properly. Install the orifice. Yes, tighten. And put on the orifice cap. And keep it, yes, close the top, the cylinder. Tighten. Vent valve is on. Okay. Usually doing vent valve is on. Okay. Okay, this installation is finished, and next time